You want to turn a boring Google form into a branded experience that actually feels like your business? I've tested all the popular tools to make it happen, and in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Fast, clean, and without wasting time. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial to the tool I recommend, just for viewers of my channel. Links in the description if you want to follow along. Alright, let's get right into it. Start by opening your Google form. Before we use any outside tools, give it a quick cleanup. Update the title, description, and questions so it feels polished. Add your logo by clicking the palette icon, then the image icon. But as you've probably noticed, Google's built-in branding options are limited. The fonts are generic, themes are basic, and it just doesn't look like your brand. That's where this software comes in. It lets you import your existing Google form and then fully transform it. Custom fonts, brand colors, button styles, background images, and more, without touching a single line of code. You just paste your Google form link into the software, and it pulls everything in automatically. From there, head to the branding section. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, choose a font that matches your website, and update the button style so it feels on brand. You can even add a custom background image or gradient to the form's header to make it pop. One thing that makes a huge difference: custom thank you pages. Instead of the boring default message, you can redirect users to a branded confirmation page with your own text, links, or even a CTA button that leads to your calendar or website. It keeps people engaged after they hit submit. Now, check the mobile view to make sure it looks clean on phones too. This software automatically optimizes for mobile, but it's always good to double check. Once you're happy with the design, hit publish. It'll generate a new branded link you can share with clients, embed on your site, or use in emails. No Google branding, no clutter, just your form, your way. The best part? The whole process takes about 10 minutes max, and it looks like you hired a designer. I've tested all the popular options out there, and this software gives you the most control with the least hassle. Again, the exclusive free trial is in the description if you want to use the same tool I'm showing here. So here's the key takeaway. Turning a Google form into a branded experience is not just about changing the colors. It's about creating trust, consistency, and a professional feel for every interaction with your users. Quick recap. Start with a clean Google form. Import it into the software. Add your branding, logo, colors, fonts, backgrounds. Customize the thank you page. Check mobile, publish, and share your new branded form. If you found this helpful, I highly recommend grabbing that exclusive free trial in the description so you can test this for yourself without any commitment. This is Dan Thorne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.